Greetings to one and all from Team Dona. While commuting, what kind of problems do we face? Chaos while getting in and out of the bus, stampede to get ticket as early as possible, as surprise ticket inspection may happen anytime. Problems like theft and e-teasing, no electricity backup, and lack of information like bus scheduling and seat availability. With our idea, IoT-based smart bus shelter, we can provide a simple one-stop solution to all these problems. While discussing these problems, we came across an idea to design a prototype where we can address these issues.
Competitively speaking, in India, glancing at current scenario, our idea is not facing any competition in this arena. There are some examples of smart bus shelters in India, and that too with limited features.
With reference to the problems faced by the daily commuters, let me give you a short demonstration of my project. First, I'll start with a ticket vending machine. Here, the people standing at the bus shelter just need to press this button to collect their ticket and sit comfortably in the bus. Now, coming to the second module, the LCD one, which will display the bus information and scheduling, which is controlled by bus staff. Here, when the bus will start from the Mangalapuri station, the bus staff will update the information which will indicate that bus number 761 has started from Mangalapuri and going to the next bus station Palam, and it will reach from Mangalapuri to Palam in 5 minutes. Now coming to the next module, the LCD2, which will display the seat availability of the upcoming buses. This will also be controlled by the bus. Like, we have installed light sensitive sensors on the seats, and when someone will sit on the seat, it will sense the shadow, and seat number 4 is filled, here is shown. Now our next module is the charging slot using dynamo. Like, when the bus will roll over the dynamo, it will convert the speed energy into the electrical energy which can be used to charge our PDAs. Our last module is the emergency button, which will raise an SOS alarm at the nearby police station in cases of theft and eve-teasing. So, when the victim will press the emergency button, it will raise an indication on the GSM module, and hence the crime scenes can be reduced at the bus shelters.
I would like to conclude that although we have unique features like IoT, dynamo, emergency button, etc., there is always a scope for improvement. So in future, we would like to include features like Wi-Fi routers, CCTV cameras and GPS routing to make it competitive for ever-changing and innovative work.